In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set default alert times for birthdays, events, and all-day events on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to settings. On settings, scroll down until you find calendar, and that's where we can easily find default alert times. If we get into it, we can configure it for birthdays, events, and all the events separately. If we head over to birthdays, by the way, all these options by default turn off. However, if we get into, let's say, birthdays, we can switch it to on day of event 9 o'clock, 1 day before 9 o'clock, 2 days before, and 1 week before. If we select, let's say, on a day of event, we'll get the notifications about all the birthdays in the day in which they are happening, and the same about configuring notifications for events and all the events. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.